Hey, this is Antoine from Learn Local SEO, and today I want to talk to you about pretty coolest things, updates that Google has rolled out, and that is scheduled posts for Google Business Profile. If you've ever forgotten to post, missed a promo deadline, or just got too busy, right? This feature will literally save you time, stress, and money. So now Google lets you create a post, schedule it for a future date and time right inside your Google Business Profile. You don't need any third-party tools. No reminders, no logging in last minute. Think of it like scheduling content for on Instagram or Facebook, but directly on Google. So let's take a look. All you got to do is make sure you're logged into your account, click post, and I've already created one, like a little test one. I can just show you another one. So just click add post, and then you can click update offer event. And as you can see, if you just see this little button right here, you can actually schedule it into the future. So if you want to schedule it to, Black Friday or whatever, you can actually schedule the time, all that good stuff. Then you can add a button, order online, all that stuff. So it's pretty cool. I mean, that's pretty much it. All you do is just go in here, choose update offer or event, and you can schedule your post. Let me show you guys. Let me show the one I've set up. Then here's the one I set up. As you can see, it's scheduled for December 22nd. You can edit it. Let's go in here. You can see. I just put test. I just pulled a picture from the internet, the time, the start date, the end date, and click post. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's great. It's an awesome feature. And I'm just really excited about it. I know it's going to help out a lot of small businesses. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Have a good day.